So today I am going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Oodie. I have been wanting an Oodie for literally the longest time, so I'm super excited that I finally have one. If you have no idea what an Oodie is, it's basically this giant, warm, cozy hoodie made out of fleece, and it's basically meant to resemble a cozy blanket. And from the reviews that I've read, apparently it's meant to make you feel like you're literally like wrapped up in a little cloud, and it's meant to keep you super warm and comfortable through the winter time. Here in Melbourne, we are actually in stage 4 lockdown, so we are still self-isolating. So I feel like this is the perfect time to get an Oodie if I'm going to be spending pretty much all day, every day at home. Plus it's winter here, so now hopefully I can stop complaining about how cold I am. Without further ado, let's get into unboxing this Oodie. So this is the package that it came in. It says eat, sleep, nap, repeat, and honestly, if that's not the isolation mood, I don't know what is, because that has been me for like the past few months, honestly. Oh my god. What the heck? This is literally so cool. I was not expecting it to come in this like little drawstring bag, but that is so cool because after you finish using the Oodie, you can literally just wrap it up and put it in this little bag. Also, I love this red. It says the Oodie on it. So let's open this bag. I'm so freaking excited. You guys are gonna literally freak out when you see which Oodie I chose, because this Oodie is literally me. Oh my gosh, I can already feel how comfy and cozy it is. Oh my god. I'm literally dying. This looks so freaking cute. So if you couldn't tell, I got the avocado Oodie. If you guys don't know, I am obsessed with avocados. Avocado toast is literally my favorite food in the whole world. So when I saw this on the Oodie website, I was like, I have to get this one because the shade of green is so lovely, and also the avocados are so cute. Like they have a little face on them. How adorable is that? Also, this itself literally feels like a blanket. So I am so excited for this. Also, can we talk about the fact that they literally have a ribbon and it matches the color of the Oodie? Like, what the heck? That is so cool. I can already feel the inside. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could literally feel this through the screen right now, because this feels so comfortable. And the inside, if you can already see, it's got that nice fleecy material which feels so comfortable. Like that's the kind of material you want to be like wrapped up in during the winter time. That's gonna keep you warm and comfortable at the same time. And on here it says the Oodie, soft, warm, cuddly. Oh, I love that. I only just realized there's like toast on here, so it literally is avocado toast. I can't believe I did not notice that when I actually like was looking at it online. But that literally makes this Oodie 100 times better because it's literally avocado toast. This feels so comfortable and warm. The inside itself has that nice fleecy fluffy material. The outside itself feels like a typical like warm throw blanket that you may have. Seriously, I have no words for this. I wish you guys could literally just come over and feel this, because me talking about it does not do it justice. And I only just realized this has pockets as well. So oh my goodness, I swear this just makes it even better than it already is, because look how gigantic these pockets are. You could fit literally a whole bread loaf in there. Like that is so much space. I can already tell I'm going to be getting so much wear out of this. And also, you don't even have to worry about sizes because it's literally one size fits all and it's gigantic. So I'm gonna go try this on and then come back and show you guys what it looks like on, and also gonna tell you guys if it feels comfortable on. So I've just put the Oodie on, and oh my gosh guys, this is literally the comfiest thing I've ever put on my body before. It is just so warm. I feel like I'm getting hugged by a giant teddy bear, and it's just so lovely. Also, I really like the sleeves because it's like cuffed, so like no cold air can actually enter, which is so amazing. Also, I don't know if you guys can really see, but this is the length of the Oodie. I feel like this is literally such a good length. You can literally even just like not wear pants and just wear like shorts or something, and it would be fine because it literally goes past your knees, which is fabulous. Also, again, I love the like Oversized Comfortable Fit. I'm literally going to be wearing this every single day during the winter time and whenever it's cold. And I also work from home, so I'm so excited to be wearing this when I'm working and just be warm, because I swear every time I'm working I'm wearing a ton of layers, fluffy socks, the whole shebang. But now all I can do is just chuck on this Oodie and I'm good to go. So that was it for my Oodie unboxing and review. I'm honestly so happy with it. If you guys do want to pick up an Oodie of your own, you can actually use my code Miriam30, which will get you $30 off any Oodie. So if you guys do pick up an Oodie, please be sure to DM me a picture, because I would love to see which Oodie you got. And make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single week, and go ahead and follow me on my Instagram because I post a ton on there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!